Hey everyone, Stogie Chaz here. Hey, we're doing another unboxing today, and this will be an unboxing of Espinosa Cigars. Today, I received a box from Caravan Cigar Company. So let's see what we got. We've got the Espinosa 10-year cigar. This was my number one cigar for 2022. As you can see, this is a beautiful cigar. Again, this was my number one cigar for 2022. Thank you, Caravan, for getting me my cigars so quickly and at a great price. So remember, everyone, Caravan Cigar Company. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. And remember, inside every wrapper, a story waits to be told.